April 24th, 2020, Fem in Quarantine, Episode 1, Take 1. Chocolate chip cookies! Hello everybody, I'm Alaire, and today I will be making the best chocolate chip cookies in the world. And you might be asking, Alaire, how are you going to do that? Well, I'm here to tell you, so get ready. The reason that I chose to make chocolate chip cookies for you guys today is because I think that chocolate chip cookies are basically just serotonin in like dessert. They're just joy and delight and everything good in this world. And I love to eat them. I love to eat chocolate chip cookies. I don't really bake them, but I decided today to try to bake some because I feel like that would be a really cool thing if I could like just perfect the chocolate chip cookie. It's a staple, it's a favorite, everyone loves a chocolate chip cookie. I did a little outfit change in preparation for my baking. I'll just share with you guys my findings a little bit. Throughout my research, many YouTube videos, I think food YouTube videos are really relaxing, so I've been watching a lot of those. I've decided to go with Tasty's recipe for the best chewy chocolate chip cookie. So these cookies, it makes blah blah blah. This recipe makes 12 cookies in total, which isn't that many, but like it's fine. Since we have limited resources here in quarantine, in terms of like ingredients, I think it will work out pretty well. Okay, so here are ingredients, which honestly, it took me longer than it should have to put them in these little bowls just because I wanted to seem professional. But we have half a cup of granulated sugar right there. We have 3/4 a cup of brown sugar, and it specifies that it needs to be packed. Well, I don't know if that's accurate or not, but it looks good. We have 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. We only need 1 egg. I put this Post-it note on it just to make sure that I had 2 eggs saved. Half a cup of melted butter, which I already have melted. Also need half a teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then the main thing, chocolate chips. So it says use 4 ounces of dark chocolate or dark chocolate chips, and then it says use 4 ounces of milk chocolate chips. These are open because my sister is a little pest and just came in and ate them. So the first thing that we're going to do is mix the butter, the sugars, and the salt. So even though I have tried and tried, I still have not mastered cracking an egg. I'm not showing you, Mom. I'm not showing you. This is all, the camera's on me. My mother, my sous chef, which is funny because her name is Susan, will be helping me with that pursuit. So here's my mom cracking an egg. She says hi with her hands. There's a lot of eggshells in there, so we'll get those out. So what I just did here was I mixed in the egg, the 1 egg, and the teaspoon of vanilla extract. It's supposed to look a little bit thicker than this, according to the video, but So our next step is to mix in our sifted flour and baking soda, baking soda with our wet mixture. The recipe online is they make sure not to overmix. The next thing I'm going to do is add 4 ounces of dark chocolate chips and 4 ounces of milk chocolate chips and fold them into my batter. Then I'm going to freeze it. So it says like the longer you freeze it, the more you get like a toffee flavor, which sounds really good. Okay, so my batter is all saran wrapped up, so I'm gonna pop it in the fridge to chill. See you guys in a second. Our cookies look like we had a lot of leftover dough actually. What do you think, Glory?
I think you should put them in the oven.
We'll see you guys after they come out of the oven. To a nice 350 degrees. You can see me in the reflection. I'm gonna put them in, it says for about 12 to 15 minutes, but according to the internet, 13 minutes is the sweet spot, so we'll see what happens. You can kind of see them. Wow. 5 minutes left. See if it looks gooey. Wow, that looks good. I just realized I forgot to do a little wrap up, but in conclusion, cookies were 11 out of 10. Chef's kiss epitomized. They were delicious. They were pretty easy to make. I might have had a little bit of trouble at the end, but I don't think anyone else but me would have. I would say maybe just use a little less salt than recommended. I would also say you could use like different kinds of I don't know. I just literally don't know anything about cooking. They were really good. They're really chocolatey. There are only 3 left, so I'll probably go eat them after this, but yeah.
Alright, hello. Today I'm going to be making chocolate dipped candied oranges. It's something that I have never made before, so we'll see how it goes. Look, there they are. I'm very excited. Now it's chocolate dipping time. I'm gonna heat them up and I'll check back with you soon. Ooh, I got some salt. I don't have anyone here to taste test with me. Rip. These are the pretty ones and those are the ugly ones. I give myself A for effort, A for decoration, and maybe like A minus B plus for actual effectiveness.
Okay, April 23rd, 2020, Fem staff in quarantine. Episode cooking. Take 1. Hello. We're out here in dirty Jersey, great state of New Jersey. I'm Lilah, and today I'm gonna be cooking for you some oatmeal cream pies. They're delicious. Cream-filled oatmeal pies. Oatmeal pies filled with cream, however you like. For the cookies, you'll need 2 1/4 cups all-purpose flour, 2 cups quick oats, 3/4 cup brown sugar, 1/2 cup cane sugar, 1/4 cup molasses, 1 cup vegan butter at room temperature, 2 tablespoons ground flax, 2 tablespoons plant milk, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 2 teaspoons cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon nutmeg, and 1/2 teaspoon salt. Alright, so step 1 is going to be to add the butter. 1 cup milk, 2 tablespoons, and the sugar. There is 3/4 a cup of brown sugar and 1/2 a cup of cane sugar, and we use all natural, but now I'm sifting in the different types of flour. So we used oat flour, and we used almond flour, and we used all-purpose flour. But the recipe calls for 1 flour, so feel more than free to just use all-purpose flour for this. And we just gotta stir. Good. So next are going in our spices and our baking powders and baking sodas. So specifically in this, we got some baking powder, we got some baking soda, we got baking soda, and then we got cinnamon, nutmeg, salt, ground flax, and we're gonna mix it all until it's thoroughly incorporated. You're gonna add your oats. This is so good.
I don't think any is gonna make it into the oven.
Alright, so you're gonna form your cookie dough into 2 tablespoon about balls. Time to make the cream. So for this, right now I'm adding a 1/3 cup of butter. I'm loosely following a recipe for this, but I really just think it's best, especially with the powdered sugar, to add as much as you think you need. Now I'm adding 8 ounces of cream cheese. I'm gonna add a little bit of honey, about a tablespoon. A little bit less. And I'm gonna add a teaspoon of vanilla. So now what you're gonna do is you're just gonna blend that up. I want it to be a little bit lighter, so we're gonna add some macadamia nut milk as well. We have finished our beautiful, beautiful oatmeal cookies and our cream. The cookie.
Paige. Tell sister. We're about to eat some cookies.
This is the reaction video.
Oh my. They're like crunchy, perfectly cooked, spicy cookies.
They're so spicy. You know, that's what's like. And they're creamy.
Put them in the fridge. Put them in the fridge. When they're done, put them in the fridge. I don't know, like 20 minutes? Whenever you can wait to like put the deliciousness in your mouth.
Yeah.
Wait that long.
Yeah, some good cookies. Drinking them with some oat milk. The oat milk, I highly suggest the oat milk, yeah.
These are bomb.
Cheers.
Cheers, bro.